show you a new example, a new puzzle box. And this is going to be another tutorial. As you see, I have the 4x4 plates with any kind of rectangle of plates in the middle. Then, next, take a 1x4 brick and put it on the side. Make sure it's tight. Then, take another 1x4 brick
instead of Caleb and Jacob.
and put it
Caleb and Sarah. Who's Caleb dating? Jacob or Sarah?
thing, whatever you name
Just kidding.
whatever you like to call it.
Okay.
Then you take a 2x4 tile with a rectangle of plates and put it on top of it. Then take another. And take another 2x4 tile and put it right there. Next is you take,
Oh, good. Yeah, that's perfect.
let me do this one last time. You take 1 by tile and put it right there.
Good job, Aunt Melody. You saved the day.
And put
Oh, that's true.
another one
That's true. Team effort.
right there.
Yep.
Now we even take another one and put it right there. That's a lot of them. So you can move there, but everything else, move it off. Then take a 1x2 tile with a brick and put it on top in the hole. Then take a 1x2 plate and put it on top. Then put another 1x2 plate and put it again there. Then take a 2x4 plate with plates on top and put it right there. Take a 1x4 plate and put it there. And take another 1x4 plate and put it on the other side. Everything should be compressed. Then take a 1x2 plate and 1x2 tile. Make sure that they're very good. And well, before that, put a 1x2 plate or two 1x1s right there. Then put your prize that you built. Put it on there. Then take a last 4x4 tile and place it on top. Push down as well as you can, because last time I did this didn't work. And oh, come on! You should not be able to shake anything out. But I don't know. Maybe yours will be better than mine. So let me reset it. Take a while. Okay, this is how you get the goodies without shaking it. You push this out. I don't know. Push that back in, because that's not how you open it. That's a bit squishy. Then, you see that? See this? Take it and push it through. Then you get your prize. It's not that good though. Oh, hey, you might find a $100 bill in your thing. You can also make it tighter so that it doesn't shake out. Whatever. Put your likes and dislikes about this puzzle box in the